If you've been using Skrill for online payments, you're going to love how easy they've made it to buy Ethereum. In this quick guide, I will show you the exact steps, the fees to expect, and a few pro tips to avoid unnecessary charges. First, log into your Skrill account and make sure your identity verification is complete. You won't be able to buy crypto without it. Once you're in, go to crypto on the left sidebar. Skrill will show you a full list of supported cryptocurrencies. And yes, Ethereum is right there at the top. Next, you choose buy Ethereum into the amount you want and select your funding method. Most people use their balance, credit card, or connected bank account. Skrill will show you the exchange rate, the fee, and the exact amount of ETH you will receive before confirming anything. Once you confirm the purchase, the Ethereum instantly appears inside your Skrill crypto wallet. But keep in mind, Skrill's crypto system is custodial. You can now withdraw ETH to MetaMask or an external wallet unless they've rolled out support in your region. So this is the best for price exposure, not on-chain use. Pro tip, buying ETH with your Skrill balance usually has lower fees than buying with credit cards. So fund your Skrill first if you want to save money. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.